Hello, hello everybody. Merry Christmas and welcome to our channel. I hope you guys got everything you wished for Christmas, maybe some fun things you didn't, and I especially hope you got to spend time with your family, friends, or whoever you like to spend Christmas with. One of the super exciting things that I got for Christmas was a box from Flick the Wick, Shadowhunter edition. Look at all the pretty runes all over the box, and I can't wait to see what's inside it. So I did already cut the tape, so easy peasy. Okay, tore into that. I had my husband open it when it first came in just to make sure nothing was broken, so some of it's already been opened and looked at, but still exciting. First off, I have a tote bag. The last thing I need is another tote bag, but this one says, "Life is a book and there are 1,000 pages I have not read, Cassandra Clare." It's from Will's super special proposal at the end of Clockwork Princess, which I love everything Shadowhunter, so Will and Tessa, super special for me. I have a box that's got something in it. It's not a pin. It's a necklace, or probably not big enough. It's a bracelet?
Yeah.
It is a bracelet.
You told me.
Told you.
Yeah.
We have a bracelet with runes on it. I've got Parabatai rune. I've got the Voyance rune, Angelic Power, and Irats, the healing rune. I don't remember this one. Strength, maybe? I'll have to look that up later. And this is the Fearless rune. That one I know because it's in my tattoo. Focus! It's not going to focus. There we go. There's my Fearless rune. But super pretty Shadowhunter charm bracelet. Thank you, Kiara. I've got a chapstick. A Witchlight chapstick. It smells pretty good.
Oh, it does.
Ooh, it's soft.
It is?
Creamy.
Can you feel it?
It's fun. It smells good.
Oh.
Isn't that soft?
Uh-huh.
I like
it's
it.
like my new squishy I got.
It's like your new squishy.
I'm a unicorn.
Magnus Bane's potion. Ingredients: raspberries, black tea, natural flavoring. Ooh, it's a tea.
It's tea?
Ooh, that smells good.
Oh. It looks cool.
Maybe.
Show the people what it looks like. Looks kind of cool. It's like this.
Spilled some.
It's like the stuff that's in the file. That's what
It does kind of look like ashes.
Yeah, like
I'll pick that
ash.
up in a minute.
Kind of like the ash from the phoenix.
Okay.
Not like the phoenix.
I have a bookmark that says, "Only the very weak-minded refuse to be influenced by literature and poetry," which
Ooh.
everybody watching an unboxing video of geeky stuff, hopefully you like to read.
Okay, show them.
So this is the back side. This is the front side, and it's got some runes on the books, and then it's got the greats' names like Emily Dickinson.
And like,
Emily Dickinson.
it's a guy with
Wow.
with like deals as weeks. That's
Dickens,
cool.
Great Expectations, Hamlet, The Shadowhunter Codex, Bronte, Wuthering Heights, and Austen, Pride and Prejudice. I have...
I think that's like a postal.
I think so too. If I can get it out of the tube.
Have you seen this one yet?
No, but I've seen this fan art.
That's so cool.
I
Who is
have
that?
Emma Carstairs and Julian Blackthorne featured in
Okay,
The
so
Dark Artifices.
Is that Julian and
That's
Emma?
Julian and that's Emma.
Yeah, I remember that.
They're in The Dark Artifices.
I
And
like your tattoos. Oh,
look, those are their
are-
runes.
Oh yeah, the runes. That's what they're called. That's cool.
So I just finished Dark Artifices,
It's sleeping.
the Queen of Air and Darkness, and it was amazing.
It was.
got...
I think those are like candles.
They look like candles.
Yeah.
Quick time out while I get these out of the box.
1 second.
Okay, we're back. I don't know about you guys, but these little plastic boxes, I like nick my fingers on them all the time and it kind of hurts, and I usually get my nail beds and that really hurts. So that was the timeout. I have 3 awesome little candles. I have the Shadow World, Jason Clary, and
Can you smell them?
the New York Institute. We will absolutely smell them, Kiara. We've got the Shadow World, which is green and is herbs, mandarin, dark musk, and myrrh.
Like that's a very pretty green. That's like Slytherin green.
Back up out of here with your Slytherin nonsense. We have Jason Clary, which smells like sandalwood, amber, jasmine, and berries.
Ooh, I love jasmine.
Jasmine does have a nice smell. It's different mixed with all
Jasmine
this.
is
I like it.
relaxing, just like
I also have the New York Institute,
New York Institute.
which smells like violet, cranberry, musk, and butter. I don't really know that I've ever thought about wanting a butter-scented candle, but it smells kind of good.
That's a mix of everything, so you don't smell the butter. What do you do?
This looks like another candle. It is. Parabatai. Wherever we are as one. This is teakwood, berries, clover. Flick the Wick. Look how pretty that is. I don't know what it smells like. I told you.
That's pretty good.
It smells kind of like a storm, if that makes any sense. It's very pretty, too.
That's what a storm smells like?
That's what a storm smells like. I don't know what a star smells like. Do you know what a star smells like?
Not a star, a storm.
Got a little mini print that says, there was beauty in the idea of freedom, but it was an illusion. Every human heart was chained by love. Fair enough. Ooh, pretty. This will be going in my book nook.
Yeah, that makes sense.
And, oh, it's so pretty.
My hair looks crazy. I'm not going to put it down. My hair looks crazy because I've been wearing it. Who's that?
I have this gorgeous print of
It is pretty.
Will Herondale, Tessa Gray, and Jem Carstairs. They're so pretty from the Infernal Devices.
Is it one of your favorite books?
It's a trilogy that I like.
What's a trilogy?
3 books.
Oh, 3 books.
And on the back, one of my favorite quotes from the Infernal Devices. One must always be careful of books and what is inside them, for words have the power to change us.
That's so true.
Also going in my book nook, but I'm so torn between hanging this side out or this side out because they look so pretty. What's your opinion? Which side do you think should be facing out? This is where I keep my books, so I might do this side, but Kiara is voting this way. Let us know in the comments which side should be facing out.
Comments is down here.
All right, that is all. I'm super happy with my Shadowhunters box. Kiara's happy with her floofy things.
I always love these.
So, like I said, I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. Have ham or turkey or stuffing or pudding or cake.
Ham.
Whatever you eat today, enjoy it. Smile, hug each other, read a book.
Okay.
Merry Christmas. Bye.
Bye.